This place is named as Momo in Eco Park. I come here after searching from Google Map that there may be something nice spot, and fortunately, luckily, this is really awesome place to visit with your wife, with your girlfriend, or with your loving persons. You will find 100% satisfaction about nature, cleanliness, and total and complete pure oxygen here. So if you ever come to Bogura, never miss it. And remember, this is completely free. No entry ticket, nothing at all. You just have to come here. There's nice sitting places also, and a lot of restaurants inside. You can grasp fuska, local food, and maybe there's some charmers also in national days of Bangladesh. But if you really want to see some pure Bangladeshi nature, and if you ever been in Bogura, never miss it. I assure you, you will be 100% satisfied in looking about, if you are looking for nature, pure nature. Thanks Momo in Authority and TMMS also, maybe their partners. I have seen their name written in the billboards for making such awesome place. Like for them. Very soon I'll come with my wife here, inshallah. The place is not much distant from Bogura, and seriously, I'll come here again and again. And I really like lonely places, and it seems that this place is perfect for me. This is our national bird. His name is Doel. It can sing very fantastic song during morning hours. Every morning I wake up hearing song of this bird in Rana City, Bogura. Squirrels, a lot of squirrels. And it will come to you if you give it peanut or something like that. Look at this, it got a peanut. Like for the squirrel also. Thanks.